Hi, it's David here from REN Clean Skincare, and I'm really excited to introduce the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So this is a cult favorite tonic from REN, and it has 7 benefits almost immediately. So it's that one product that does 7 things, which I love because it's super quick and easy to use. At REN Clean Skincare, we decided to use lactic acid as the main ingredient for this product because we wanted something that was going to exfoliate and stimulate the renewal of your skin's surface, but also be rich and hydrating and sort of give you that beautiful glow from the first swipe. It's really important to us that our products are effective. So 92% of users said they had more glowing skin, and 96% of users said it did this without any irritation, which is super awesome. At REN Clean Skincare, we are also about being more of a zero waste brand. So the packaging is completely recyclable. You can just keep the lid on as it is and just throw it into a recycling bin where facilities exist. It's really easy to use this product. Essentially, you're just going to take a reusable cotton round and you're going to just saturate the cotton pad and sweep it over your skin. So I like to do this in the evening, but you can do it in the morning too. Just remember to wear SPF, and you just kind of press the product over the skin and let the lactic acid do its work. We've also put salicin in the product, which I call salicylic acid's best friend, and this is what goes into the pores and gives you that really nice pore purifying effect. And then also azelaic acid precursor, which is amazing for targeting more like the visible signs of pigmentation on the surface of your skin, but also brightening your skin up. So I hope you love the product as much as we do, and thank you for considering REN Clean Skincare. Please recycle.